Geocache. We found the geocache. We're just gonna sign it and put it back, dating back to like 2011. So people have been coming here and signing this book since 2011.
August, July. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Hidden underneath this leaned birch tree, which was the clue. And we're not even on the path anymore. Like, the path is way down there. We're in this snow rainstorm thing here. Very warm, open water. We're not going to make it to the island today. That sucks. Peter going to sign the geocache. Pete and Mark's excellent adventures.
Trip 14. What's the date? The 17th?
16?
Yeah, 16th. February 16th, 2019.
2019.
Awesome cache.
Then what we'll do is when you start your YouTube channel, we'll come back and put your YouTube channel name on it, and people will, they can watch this, the video of the geocache. You putting it back there now? Alright, Pete's gonna put it back where we found it. Connect people. Alright, I admit I wasn't into the geocaching, but it's fun when you find it. Cool. Very cool. And good luck to the next person. There it is, all tucked away. Oh well, 8 degrees and rain. Hey Pete, we're not going to make it to the island today, bud. You can barely see it through the trees.
Selfie by the cache to put it online.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back.